Our organization was established to promote the advancement of persons with disabilities so as to enable them to attain their maximum level of independence and integration into the community, and also to allow them to take their rightful place in society. Unemployment amongst people with disabilities in South Africa is unacceptably high, with a reported 90% unemployment rate. Despite positive legislature amendments, both public and private sectors are still falling well short of the stipulated 2 to 4% employment equity target for people with disabilities in the workplace. Due to a lack of resources, poor socioeconomic conditions, and an inaccessible mainstream schooling system, persons with disabilities by and large do not receive equal opportunities in South Africa. As a result, persons with disabilities struggle to find employment in the open labour market due to their often lower levels of formal education. We believe that the solution to the problem of mass employment, especially amongst youth with disabilities, is to offer practical, real-world skills training with the goal of developing persons with disabilities to become entrepreneurs and small business owners. We have seen significant improvements in the lives of persons with disabilities to whom we provide skills training. One of the interesting and sought-after skills are that of branding and printing, and today we present you with an introduction thereof as follows. There are a few very important things to remember before this direct-to-garment process starts. You have to have all your artwork and A3 film at hand. Make sure you preheat the Mugget press. Set the temperatures to 165 degrees. Prepare the oven to be ready when it's required. We prefer that clients provide the artwork ready to be printed. Artwork gets done on the laptop in CorelDRAW. We use a PDF format opened up in CorelDRAW so that if any changes are required regarding the artwork, it can be done in CorelDRAW. Artwork is done in PNG format. The artwork is to be incorporated on DTG program as indicated on the screen. An A3 film is to be inserted into the printer so that artwork can be printed. It is printed from DTG program to the film, and please remember to utilize a full A3 film. We utilize an adhesive powder and sprinkle it on the back of the film about 2 or 3 times. Slowly move the powder around and allow the powder to cover all the artwork. The excess powder can go back into a little tray, and after that it can be inserted into the oven as indicated. The adhesive powder melts in the heat and it allows the transfer to stick to the fabric. Once this step is completed, you can move over to the oven and insert the film for the curing procedure, which will take approximately 5 seconds. Then remove the film from the oven. Let it cool off. Artwork needs to be cut now. In this instance, we are dealing with a logo. The logos need to be cut out properly. The panel or the item you're going to brand must now be positioned as marked. The logo will be placed on top and in position. This positioning is done on top of the surface of a Mugget press. Once the panel has been positioned, we can start the process of fusing. To start, you need to place protection paper over the item. Pull the press over and fuse for approximately 15 seconds. Remove the protection paper and let it cool down for about 1 minute. Once it's cooled down, you can remove the film from the panel once the fusing is done. Your garment has now been successfully branded and printed, and it's ready for production. It is fact that by empowering persons with disabilities in their personal capacity, They in turn become powerful catalysts for change in their immediate social circles and in time in their own communities. We trust that you've enjoyed this video and really wish that all persons with disabilities will follow these steps and our guidelines and our methods of training. You could earn while you learn and follow your newborn passion. Thank you, and we wish you all the best.